Hello everyone, I have a new product from PicassoTiles today. Let's get right into it and do an unboxing.
This is the PicassoTiles 33-piece building blocks educational 3D building construction toy set with aims at developing the minds of our young children today. Let's go ahead and open it up and see what we're working with. PicassoTiles has won the Brainchild Award, which is centered around developing kids' creativity. Children can acquire a strong sense of color, geometrical shapes including 3D forms, number counts, magnetic polarities even, and architectural design at an early age. Let's take all of them out piece by piece and let's build something. This is somewhat reminiscent of the old day Legos, except the choking hazards are a lot less. This is suitable for all ages, preferably 3 and up, and it's most enjoyable by one or party in groups and a great way to spend quality time with family and loved ones. Within minutes you can build anything your heart desires. You're only limited by your own creativity. This is one of the highest rated products on Amazon. There's no limitations. Scalable as big as desired by adding more pieces to create the masterpiece. This is a perfect introduction for school-age children that will never go out of style. Such factors such as combining teamwork and creativity are all melded here, right in PicassoTiles. For disassembly, it's as easy as 1, 2, 3. You can literally break everything down and sort it into groups, which I am doing right here. There are 4 H's, 4 N square pieces, and 3 different types of triangles: isosceles, obtuse, and medium-sized triangles. There are 4 of each of these triangles. There are also 4 regular squares, a total of 8 gated squares, and the last piece is the biggest, the big blue one up top. Now when you're all done playing in terms of setting it up and breaking it back down, this is the easiest way to do it, with the biggest piece on the bottom and then stack the triangles on the sides, and from then on it's just to stack the squares and so on and so forth. I especially like the fact that the box can be doubled as a very good compartment space, and it can be stowed away easily in cupboards or shelves. On behalf of PicassoTiles, this is a 33-piece set. I do have many more videos coming out from PicassoTiles. All affiliate links will be in the description below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time.